So we're at El Cortez and I'm here with Kenny, the owner. Very nice to meet you.
How are you? Nice meeting you too.
Awesome. Beautiful place. Yeah. You have a great day. Morning, everybody. We are at El Cortez Hotel, downtown Las Vegas, right up by Fremont Street. We got a few nights here for free, so I'm gonna do an updated walking tour. Join me. And here we go. Walking out of the elevators. Hopefully there's no copyright music. I just gotta talk. Outside the elevators, you'll see the gift shop on the right hand side. And over in this section, you'll actually see Starbucks, which I'm gonna go get a few shots of espresso real quick. And then we'll continue the walking tour. Okay, so we're continuing, no problem, over here by Starbucks, right? Here we go. Got my quad shot to get going. Okay, got my quad shot. We're about to walk around El Cortez, doing another walkthrough. Last time I was here, I actually missed the room, which I'll go over by. It's the coin slot machine room, which is old coins. I don't know if it's tokens or quarters, but we will see. All right. And I just one day I paid Wheel of Fortune. So here's a bar area right across from the hotel check-in. Afterwards, when we walk out, when I'm done with this walkthrough, I'm gonna walk out over to the front where the valet section is right there. So I am going to walk clockwise this time, and we'll end back over here and walk on the outside. So one thing about this casino, El Cortez, is per year, once a year, if you come in here with your boarding pass or your ticket that you flew in from and show it to the Club Cortez, you get, I believe, some free play and free drink tickets. So I tried to actually go up and claim that again this time, but they said that, oh, you already used it, sir. I said, oh, well, too bad. But yeah, that's pretty cool that you get. There could be a lot of free stuff here. If you haven't seen the old walkthrough video, you should watch that one too. I'll try to make this one a little bit more detailed. Walk a little bit slower too. Got dragon legs. And this casino, what I notice is that a lot of people actually do win in here. The slots are looser. It's kind of slow because it's Friday morning at about 9 o'clock. Here is the Club Cortez, right? Where you go get your player's card. Over in this corner is the race and sportsbook area. So even though they have a craps table, they have this roll to win craps, which is the electronic version, right? Interface is pretty close to, I think it's made by, this is made by Ruse. But last night, this craps table was filled, and then the roll to win craps table only had like one person playing. I think it's the camaraderie of this place. And the difference between the last time I came here and this time is that they took out their stadium games. So right here where these tables are, they used to have stadium bubble craps, stadium roulette, and then like the electronic blackjack made by Interblock. Yeah. So here's the Sportsbook again. And this time, oh, everybody's favorite machine, Puff and even more Puff. There's the electronic blackjack. So they added in crapless bubble craps for everybody who wants to know. Yeah, minimum bet for crapless here is $3. Minimum bet for regular bubble craps is $2. And I actually did pretty good on this machine yesterday. Put in $50, cashed out like 150. Did like maybe 4 or 5 spins. Yeah. This roulette machine has sat here for a while, hasn't moved. But yeah, so usually when you come in, you see a bunch of stadium games over there. Now they put table games. Those table games were not working last night. Still continuing clockwise. So you can see all the table games in the middle. Surprised I don't see any YouTubers here today. They're usually playing here a lot. Okay, continuing the tour. So there used to be a bar over here. I'm not sure what they're doing in this section. Yeah, there used to be a bar right here and a bunch of games on the other side, but I'm not sure what they're doing. This is a high limit section over here. They also have a high limit room which I'll walk into. Top dollar premium. Wow. I've tried that top dollar game, never really won on there. See a lot of people playing that. So yeah, this whole section here. I wonder what they're doing with this. So here's the high limit room. Very small. Look at the sign. Oh, Cortez. Yeah, I tried this pinball game one time. Did like $30 spins, put in like 500 and didn't get anything. Hi, I have a question.
Sure.
What are you guys doing in this section over here?
We're remodeling that whole area.
Okay.
We're building 2 big new bars.
Oh,
and
nice.
a new high limit room
Okay.
and a restaurant. All kinds of stuff.
Nice, awesome.
big.
When will that be done?
We're hoping before the holidays.
Before the holidays. Okay, awesome. Thank you. Appreciate it. Cool, so now we know. Right. Frankenstein. I heard cowboy slots Cowboy Slot says don't play this game or Huff and Puff. The chances of winning are very slim, but when you do, it's good. But it's that's what one of his videos said. Oh, but you like that sound, huh? Dragon legs. Yesterday I walked over in this section, which I'll walk in right now. I'll show you. Like, they have these old school machines where it's like your own private little section. Take a look at these. Yeah. So yeah, look at these. That's awesome, isn't it? Wow. A bunch of, this is all the old Game Kings, Keno area. I know people love playing this. Yeah, she's playing two at once over there. Never really got into Keno. My buddies play that online with under that website Stake, but yeah, I could never play it. I don't know why. NFL jackpots. All right, I'm gonna walk through this bar area real quick, and then we're gonna go to the coin slot section. So the bar is right next to a restaurant that we eaten at. It's pretty good, really good. Wow, look at the decor here. It's nice. I wonder who these people are. I wonder if they're owners of cartoon drawings, owners of like casinos down here. So there's a restaurant. If you want to see what the menu is, there you go. So here's a restaurant, if you could see. And you could hear the coins dropping already walking in this section. I think this is the walkway over to the parking lot. And I'll walk clockwise through this area. Yeah, oh, it's quarters. Quarters? Wow. Yeah. More dragon links. Yeah. So this is the section that I missed going through last time. It's kind of hidden. I think the only reason why I noticed this is because we parked this time over in the parking lot and came over here last night. Wow, look at these old Buffalo games. Uh, all right, this is the coin slot area. I'm gonna walk back over and finish the tour, and then I'll walk outside so you can see what it looks like. There you go, everybody. There's your tour. Let's go walk outside to see the valet section here real quick. Yeah. All right, come on. Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh man, it's warm out here. I'm gonna walk out to the suite area and get a nice shot of the El Cortez for everybody. El Cortez. I'm gonna walk across the street. Here we go. We're staying in those rooms up there, facing that way. Well, that way. Thank you for tuning in. Stay tuned for the next episode. I don't know where I'm going yet, but I'm gonna be walking Fremont Street, going through some of those casinos over there. And I might have to use a different camera because yesterday they told me to put my camera away even though I had it mounted to my backpack. Yeah. Okay. Well, thank you for tuning in. Thank you, El Cortez, for the rooms. We really appreciate it. Thank you to the owner, Kenny. Very nice guy.